The Bowling Green Falcons, as their success so far this season stems from their defense. After giving up 38 points to Tennessee in Week 1, Falcons held Minnesota to just 241 total yards of offense on Saturday. For head coach Scott Loeffler, the Falcon needs to find a balance offensively, with the majority of the responsibility falling on veteran quarterback Matt McDonald. BG's defensive front with another tall task in front of them as the Falcons open MAC play on the road against Kent State. Flashes picked as the preseason favorites to win the Mid-American Conference East.
It's no secret the strength of our team is our defense right now and our special teams, and offensively we're doing enough to get by. Offensively we need to improve, but when you got two phases of your team clicking in the right direction, you got a chance. And offensively, with time, with age, and as the season goes, we'll improve. But that's the weakness in us right now.
Coming off a win like Minnesota, is all we want to do is win. We want to go out there and have that feeling after every week. We want that feeling after every week, and we feel like we can do it. But we just got to go out there and have a great week of practice and have a great mental preparation for this game, and we just got to go out there and play hard.